Hello people, in this video we want to look at WHO, World Health Organization. In the exam they have asked you the functions, responsibilities and World Health Day. They can ask all these. So let us get started. Where is this World Health Organization headquarters? At Geneva, Switzerland. This is the headquarter. In 1946 its constitution was drafted. Hence 7th April 1948 it came into force on 7th April. So every 7th April is celebrated as World Health Day. So you should not forget 7th April because they will ask you World Health Day in the exam. The theme so far was universal health coverage. Now in 2020 it is support nurses and midwives. So it keeps changing, looks like the theme. Okay. Then, so let's move on. What is the objective? The attainment by all people the highest level of health. So everybody has to achieve highest level of health, all people. Okay, this is the objective. What is the objective? Attainment by all peoples, the attainment of all peoples of the highest level of health. What English is that? Okay, so the current objective of WHO is the attainment by all people of the world a level of health which will permit them to lead a socially and economically productive life. So it should permit them, the health should be a level of health. Here they are saying a level of health which will permit them to lead socially and economically productive life. But here they are saying highest level of health. Here they are saying level of health which will permit them to. Okay. So the preamble states that health. What does its preamble state? So this is a preamble. Preamble states what? Health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. It is not the mere absence of disease or infirmity. So it is not just the absence of disease. It is you may be disease free, but you should be mentally happy. So it should be a complete physical, mental, social well-being. You should be well in all these terms, not mere absence of disease or infirmity. Okay. So what else they're putting in all this? Let's look at. Just look at some keywords here, right? Guys, a preamble, if you say just write the health, what the definition of health is, then you say that health is a fundamental right, then this should be given to everybody without distinction of race, religion, blah, blah, blah. Then you say attainment of peace and security is important. Then for all this, you need the cooperation of individuals and the states and the government, etc. Communicable disease is a common danger, even if it is separate country. Communicable disease is a common danger to everybody because it can go from one person to the other. Then child is very important. Health of child is important. Then informed opinion, active cooperation is required. Governments have a responsibility. So all this is there coming in preamble. Okay, just write all this. Then moving on. Let's move on. It is unique among the UN specialized agency. So it's coming under United Nations, looks like. So it is a specialized agency. It has its own constitution, own governing bodies, own membership, own budget. So what and all it has its own constitution which came to force on 7th April 1948. Yes, we know that. Own governing bodies. Let's look at that. Own membership. Let's look. So you can take, India can take a membership with WHO. Yeah, and own budget. So it has its own budget. So it is giving all the money so that we can improve our health. Look like. Okay. What are we looking at today? WHO. What did we finish so far? We saw the preamble. We saw the objective. We saw what health is, right? All that we finished, right? Good. So now we saw that it is one of UN specialized agencies. You should write it has its own constitution, governing bodies, membership and budget. Two major policy developments have influenced the WHO. Two major policy developments. You have to remember these crazy names. Alma-Ata Conference on Primary Healthcare and Global Strategy for Health for All. Some primary healthcare, guys. Remember some primary healthcare policy. Then Health for All, Global Strategy. These are some two policies which have influenced them, looks like. Structure. Yes, now we are moving on to structure. It consists of three principal organs. Oh, organs. It has organs. Okay. WHO has three principal organs. Which are these? The World Health Assembly, Executive Board, and Secretariat. Secretariat. Okay. Let's say that. Secretariat. Okay. So did you get this? What are the three? World Health Assembly. So WHO became WHA. World Health Assembly. Then you had Executive Board, EB. And Secretariat. Okay, so let us look at this. What is there? This is World Health Assembly. Looks like what is this? This is World Health Assembly. Wow, it looks big. There are some people on stage, and this is the circle one, no? Executive Board, where they are sitting like this. Okay, then this is the Secretariat. This building looks very fascinating, right? So where is we have to look at each of these. What are the three things? We should remember the names for the exam, guys. World Health Assembly, Executive Board and Secretariat. These are what? The organs of WHO. Organs. Okay. So what are the organs? The principal organs? WHA, Executive Board and Secretariat. WHA. So this is the Health Parliament of Nations. What is this? This is the Health Parliament of Nations. So which is the Health Parliament? World Health Assembly. So here all the member states will come, delegates from the member states, and they will meet annually, usually in May. They are saying, wonder if they met this year because of the pandemic. Anyways, what are their functions of Health Assembly? It's like a parliament. They're going to determine the international health policy and programs. So it's more like a parliament. So decide the law kind of thing, policy, programs. Review the work of past years. So they're meeting annually. So anyways, they will review the work of the past year. Approve the budget needed for the following year. For the following year, what will we do? And elect member states to designate a person to serve for 3 years on the executive board. So they are going to choose somebody to serve the executive board. Okay. So executive board is the next organ of WHO, right? So then they have to replace retiring members, etc. And these people also appoint the Director General. Okay. So you should know this, etc., etc. So let us summarize. What did we learn in World Health Assembly? World Health Assembly, Parliament, Health Parliament, all the members, delegates of the members meet. When do they meet? May, every May looks like. What do? They will determine the policy, international health policy programs. These are the people giving us the international health policy programs. And they will review the work of the past year. They'll approve the budget of the next year. They will also designate a person to serve for 3 years on the executive board, right? And they also appoint the Director General. Let's move on now to the executive board. This is the executive board, the round one. How many people do you think can sit here? 34 people could be around this table, right? So there are 34 people. 3 are there from every region of WHO. Okay, at least 3 looks like. And now there are 34 people. These people have to be technically qualified in the field of health. You have to be a doctor, etc. And you will work for the benefit of the world, not representing your government, etc. Okay. And they will meet twice a year. Then I wonder at this table what they will do in the remaining time. Twice a year they will meet, January and May. What do? They will take to affect the decisions of and policies of the assembly. Okay, whatever the World Health Assembly took the policies and all, these people have to bring it into effect, and it can also act in the cases of emergency, epidemic, earthquake, flood, etc. You see, epidemic. That's why they are thinking on pandemic is really less. They should add pandemic there. Guys, the secretariat is different from the UN secretariat. Looks like, okay. Here, what they are saying is, see, when you go to WHO website, right? Look at the WHO website. They have governing bodies. They have the World Health Assembly and Executive Board. There is no secretariat here. Anyways, guys, the secretariat, right? They provide member states with technical and managerial support. So, did you understand? So, you have the World Health Assembly. Whatever policies it makes, who's trying to implement them? The executive board will execute all the policies. Then the secretariat is going to provide the member states with all the technical and managerial support. Okay, so what and all they're doing here, they have some divisions looks like they have some epidemiological surveillance. Okay, epidemiological surveillance, communicable disease division, they have vector and biological control, environment they are taking care of, vector, communicable disease, public information and education, all the standard things you have to write, but it's very difficult to write, right? Mental health, diagnostic, therapeutic, rehabilitative technology, strengthening of health services, family health, non-communicable disease. So when you wrote communicable, write off non-communicable also, family health, mental health, manpower development, information support system. Information came here also, right? Then one more, information support system, personal, general services, budget, finance, all that. Okay. So this is the secretariat, guys. We'll move on. Let's just take a break and look at the World Health Organization website, guys. Health topics, they are giving countries. So there are regions. What regions are there? Africa, America, Southeast Asia, Europe, Eastern Mediterranean, Western Pacific, WHO in countries, demographic, something, newsroom. They have some newsroom here. Emergencies, some data stories, and about WHO, our values, who we are, what we do, where we work. Where do they work? We know Geneva. Let's look at where they work. We support member countries. Okay. Nothing much here specifically saying where we work, what we do. What do you do? Health, promote health, keep the world safe. Okay. Then, what do they do? Coming to initiative, they're saying A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Okay, access to COVID-19. The access to COVID, B is be healthy, be mobile, Beijing, decade of healthy aging, defeating meningitis, eliminate yellow fever. This is not nice, the website itself. What do you think? Let's go to Z. Oh, there is no Z. Okay. If you want to contact WHO Geneva, this is the telephone number, looks like. Coming back to our textbook content, guys, back to getting marks. So here we saw three things. What did we see? Three things. World Health Assembly, the structure, right? We saw World Health Assembly, Health Parliament. Then you have the Executive Board. Then you have the Secretariat. And then next what will come? Membership countries. Very good. Currently, how many are there? In the textbook, it says 194 in the 24th version of PARC. What do you think is the latest? This is the alphabetical list of WHO member state, but they didn't put a numbering here to count. We'll have to count them manually. Okay. So you can just see all these countries. So these are all the countries, guys. So these countries, right, they all come under regions. Like there are some regions, you should know these. How many regions? They are saying 6 regions. So the 6 regions they have kind of marked here. Let us see. 6 regions. Southeast Asia. Okay. Where is Southeast Asia here? Africa. Give us a better color, please. Southeast Asia, guys. Southeast Asia. Africa. Americas. Europe. Eastern Mediterranean. Western Pacific. Where is this Western Pacific? Where is the Pacific Ocean? Here. So west of that Pacific Ocean, is it? Western Pacific. Why there are 2 colors for India and this? Is it separate or all these 3 are same? Because how many colors are we seeing? Okay, Americas is 3. Wait. Americas is 3. Southeast Asia is 1. Africa is 2. Europe is 4. Eastern Mediterranean is 5. Western Pacific is 6. So both these green kind of mean the same. So in the exam, you have to write these 6. Guys, 6, what and all you will write, you know, and the headquarters for Southeast Asia, right? New Delhi, India, our country, you write, okay. For America, write Washington, DC. Anyways, that is the capital of America, right? Am I right or wrong? This much if you write, I think it should be enough, okay. Then moving on, guys. Then where do we come? Southeast Asia region. So in what are the countries here? Southeast Asia region, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 countries. And that we have India. 1948 itself it joined off. Wow, when the constitution they wrote, that time only India joined off. Population is like the highest in all this. Okay. Now, what are they saying here? We have 11 members. If you want, you can remember them. Southeast Asia region. They're calling this as SEAR. SEARO. What is O? Regional office. SEAR. SEAR is interesting. Southeast Asia region. 11 countries. Okay. Then read all this if you have time. Malaria eradication, all that you can remember. Vector control. Okay. Work of WHO. What work do they do, guys? It's very difficult to know everything. Just read this much and write this much. Okay. 8 points you learn. What are the 8 points? Prevention and control of specific diseases. Which are those specific diseases? Should we know them? So you have to prevent them and control them. Development of comprehensive health services. Health services is a good thing. Comprehensive health services. Family health, environmental health, health statistics, biomedical research, health literature, information, cooperation with other organizations. This is very sitting here kind of strangely, right? Cooperation with other organizations. Other organizations can be what? NGOs and all that? Or what? Work of WHO, you have to tell what and all. Can you recollect? Can you look at this table and recollect? Specific diseases. What are the specific diseases, guys? At least you can name 2 or 3. What do you say? Smallpox, they eradicated. You know, polio, they are trying to eradicate, right? Then, I think in this note, generally you write off everything, okay? Non-communicable like cancer, cardiovascular, genetic, diabetes, blindness, all this you write, okay? Vision 2020, all that you write. Prevent and control specific disease. What's the next thing that came? Health services. What and all you want to give in health service? Say, health program, primary health care. God, write all this, okay? Getting frustrated, guys? Let's finish it off, okay? Health services you have to give. In that you can say primary health care, you can write one word. Then, family health, child health care, maternal and child health care, human reproduction, nutrition. Family health means all this will come. Okay, nutrition, quality of life you have to improve as a family, as a unit. Okay, environment health, guys. Environment, what will you say? What will you say? What will you say? Come on, say some two things. Air, water, food quality. Very good. Finish it off with this. Air, water, and food quality. We should improve. Then health statistics. See, health statistics is coming and down information is also coming, right? So health statistics, national health information systems. Then what else? Just find one nice point here that you can write for exam. You want to compare different countries. So you have HDI, right? Human Development Index, write a little about that. Then biomedical research, they may ask you, okay, what are they doing in biomedical research? Okay, they want to control malaria, sick, histosomiasis, trypanosomiasis, filariasis, leishmania, leprosy. So they want to target, these are 6 tropical diseases that they are targeting under WHO special program for research and training. So in biomedical research, they're doing all this. Biomedical research, you have to write the 6 diseases looks like. How many numbers are there, guys? And which number are we in? 7. We are in 7 currently. How many are there? Total only 8. Okay. So 7 we are in currently. Health, literature, information. We already told you that statistics games mean now information will come, right? Information means what and all they have. Medical literature analysis retrieval systems, some medlars. Medlars they have. Medical, MED. Okay. MED went there. Medical. LAR, literature, literature, you will never remember this word, right? Literature, medical literature, analysis and retrieval system. Okay, they have some medlars. WHO library is one of the satellite centers of the medlars of the US. WHO library, okay, information, literature and information. Last one, guys, cooperation with other organizations. So you have to cooperate with other organizations like what? International government organizations, specialized agencies, collaborates with the UN, okay, and other agencies. You just have to cooperate with all these, collaborate with all these people. Yes, we're done with WHO, World Health Organization, functions, responsibilities. They'll ask this in the exam. For 5 marks, they've asked it many times, so you should know. World Health Day is 7th April of every year. So they'll have some themes for it every time. And where's the WHO situated, guys? Geneva, Switzerland, and 1946 they started drafting its constitution. Looks like what is the objective? Highest level of health for all people is the objective. Highest level of health for all, by all, attainment by all, for all, etc. Then preamble. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not a mere absence of disease or infirmity. This health is a fundamental right, and they should get it without distinction of race, religion, political belief, etc., etc. All this is required for attainment of peace and security, and the fullest cooperation of individuals and state is required. Governments have to be responsible. Communicable disease is a common danger to all countries. Health development of children is important. You should have active cooperation, informed opinion. All this you can say in preamble. Then coming to WHO comes under UN specialized agencies. It has its own constitution, own governing bodies, own membership, and own budget. And there are two major policy developments, Alma-Ata Conference and Global Strategy for Health for All, Primary Healthcare and Health for All, 2 policies. Structure, World Health Assembly, Executive Board and Secretariat, 3 things. World Health Assembly, what do they do? It is the health parliament. They make the policies, international policies and programs. They meet when? Annually, usually in the May. There are delegates of member countries. They all come together. So they will make these health policies and programs, guys. They will review last year's work and they will approve the budget required for the following year. They will designate a person to serve for 3 years on the executive board. They also appoint the Director General of WHO. Okay. Then coming to executive board. So these people will execute the international policies which the assembly made. So 34 members they have as of now. See, they're sitting in a circle. 34 people only can sit here. And these people are not simply people. They are technically qualified in the field of health and they do not represent their governments. Their focus should be on the international health. So these people meet twice a year and they will take into effect the policies made by the assembly. And they will also take some actions in case of emergencies like epidemics, earthquakes, floods, etc. Next, Secretariat. Secretariat is basically member states. To these people, what the Secretariat do, they provide the member states, that is the countries you can say, with technical and managerial support. So Secretariat was coming in the last. What do they do? Epidemiological surveillance, communicable disease, non-communicable disease, vector, environment, information, education, mental health, family health, same thing, you write everything. They have a division for budget and finance, etc. Information, everything you will write. Membership. Membership is open to all countries. Just write this. It's open to all countries. And there are a lot of members in the textbook. As of now, it says 194. Could be more. Regions. You have to write these 6 regions. What are the 6 regions? Southeast Asia. SEAR. Southeast Asia region. Remember, then you have the Eastern Mediterranean. Then you have the Africa. Then you have Americas. And then here you have Europe. And this one is what? West of Pacific. Okay, Western Pacific. So you have to remember these 6 things. And in SEAR, that is Southeast Asia region, we are there. That is India. And India joined in 1948. And total number of country members under SEAR are 11. If you want to look at them, you can look at the names. What do these people do? Same things that you read every day. Tuberculosis control, malaria eradication, etc. Health education, nutrition, dental health. All this you will standard things you will write. Work of WHO, you have to write 8 points under work of WHO. Prevention and control of specific diseases like smallpox, polio, etc. They're looking at now. Development of health services, comprehensive health services, family health, environmental health. Statistics, information, you can write. Biomedical research, remember, you have to tell about some biomedical research, some specific term is there. It will come to that. Health literature and information, some MEDLAR or something. MEDLAR, WHO library, etc. And you have to cooperate with other organization. Who has to cooperate? WHO itself has to cooperate. That is the work of WHO. Work of WHO is to cooperate with other organizations. That becomes one of the work. Let us specifically look at this biomedical research also. What do you say? Just let's take all of these recap. Prevention and control of specific disease like smallpox, polio, myelitis. Development of comprehensive health services, primary healthcare, family, maternal and child healthcare, human reproduction, nutrition, etc. Environment, air, water, food quality. Health statistics, different countries, you have to compare HDI and all index you can write. Biomedical research, remember, 6 tropical diseases like malaria, schistosomiasis, trypanosomiasis, filariasis, leishmaniasis, leprosy are the target of WHO's special program for research and training in tropical diseases. Then health information, literature, remember, medical literature analysis and retrieval system, MEDLARS, okay. Then WHO library, then you have cooperation with other organizations. Please cooperate with them. That is the 8th work of WHO. We are in this video done with the functions, responsibilities of WHO World Health Day, 7th April, and the theme currently nurse and midwives. Okay, that's all for now, guys. Bye bye.